Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI trending 3D image for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the 3D image looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can create this kind of image. If you want to create this image, you can use Gemini. You can open up the Gemini app, or you can visit gemini.google.com. And then I'm going to click on new chat. And here guys, make sure that you choose this feature, create image. This is new feature on Gemini called Nano Banana. And if this feature doesn't appear on your Gemini, you can try to update your Gemini if you use the Gemini app. You can also open up the Gemini on your phone, and then you can select the image that you want to edit. And for me, I'm going to choose this one, and then we can click on open, and then I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, you can add this prompt guys, and I'll put the prompt on the description. Oops, sorry, there is typo. Once you're done, you can click on this submit menu and let the AI turn your image into a 3D image. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to download it, you can click on this download icon, and then you can also make it move guys. If you want to make it move, you can use Pixers, or if you have subscribed to Google One, you can use VEO, but here I'm just going to use Pixers. Okay, you can open up Pixars and upload the photo we have generated using Nano Banana to Pixars, and then you can add this prompt: human hand pics 3D model, and then you can send the image and also the prompt, and it needs 20 credits. Okay, and this is the previous video I have generated using Pixars. If you just want to use the image, you don't need to visit Pixars. And this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.